Your evolutionary snap judgment that determines whether someone is a friend or foe may also be impacting who you vote for. We have the ability to evaluate in a single glance how dominant a person is and how trustworthy he is, and it's the shape of the face that provides these cues. I'm not necessarily saying that this is correct, this is just how our brains work. In a study by Alex Todorov, students were shown pictures of men's faces, sometimes for as little as 1/10 of a second, and then asked to rate the faces on various attributes, which included likability and competence. The students all largely agreed on those ratings. Here's the twist though. The pictures were not of random men, but instead they were campaign portraits of politicians competing for elective office. Todorov then compared the results of the electoral races to the ratings of competence that the students had made and found something quite striking. In about 70% of the races for senator, congressman, and governor, the election winner was the candidate whose face had earned a higher rating of competence among the students. Later studies looking at Finland, zoning board elections in England, and various electoral contests in Australia, Germany, and Mexico confirmed this result. Per these studies, it seems that ratings of competence were far more predictive of voting outcomes in Todorov's studies than ratings of likability. And here's another interesting twist. Political scientists followed up on this research and found that the effect of facial competence on voting is about 3 times larger for information-poor and TV-prone voters than for voters who are better informed and watch less television. So that's something to take into consideration.